Good afternoon, sir.
Okay, okay. Good afternoon to all. Okay, all of you stop your voice and video features in your mobile. Don't
This
start that
is
kind of features in middle of the my class is also there. Okay, na? If you have anyone interest, you should start your video feature in your mobile, but not start voice feature in your mobile. So, are you understand? Okay. ఎవరికైనా ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉంటే మీ మొబైల్లో వీడియో ఫీచర్ ఆన్ చేసుకోండి కానీ వాయిస్
इससे
ఫీచర్
वीडियो ऑन कर रहे हैं।
ఆన్ చేయకండి ఓకేనా వాట్ ఎవర్ మే బి పర్సన్ ఇఫ్ యూ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ యూ షుడ్ స్టార్ట్ యువర్ వీడియో ఫీచర్ ఇన్ యువర్ మొబైల్ బట్ నాట్ స్టార్ట్ వాయిస్ ఫీచర్ ఇన్ యువర్ మొబైల్ స్టాప్ దట్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ ఫీచర్ ఓకేనా
महेश ऑन कर महेश वीडियो।
Good afternoon, students. Today, already you know that in accounting subjects in first year intermediate public examination purpose, already in accountancy, already I have completed that. The what is journal, what is ledger, and what is personal account, and what are the different types of classification of cash books are also there. Already you know that single column cash book, two column cash book, triple column cash book and petty cash book and whatever may be, and as well as there are the I have explained that what is real balance and how to prepare that real balance already I have explained that. Okay, now I have completed that in our previous year. Our first year classes are also there. Okay, now and remaining of the final account already I have not explained in our previous year. Okay, na? There are the some our time period time is not there on that situation. There are the different types of problems will be arise on that situation. I have not explained that. Okay, na? From that kind of final accounts in intermediate public examination, we will get to the one of the 20 marks problem and as well as one of the 5 marks question will be come in the purpose of intermediate public examination and as well as one of the 2 marks question is also will be come. Okay, na? Totally from this chapter, after in your first year intermediate public examination, we will get to the one of the 20 marks and as well as one of the 5 marks and as well as one of the 2 marks. Okay, na? 20 plus 5 plus 2 is equal to how much marks are also there? We will get to the totally 27 marks chapter. Okay, na? Whenever we should pass in intermediate first year public examination, we should want to the 35 marks only. Okay, na? Whenever we should get to the 35 marks in commerce paper, we will pass that kind of paper. Okay, na? Already you should think that in intermediate first year public examination. From this chapter you will learn very well. You should get to the 27 marks. Okay, na? Remaining 3 plus 5 అంటే 8 marks. 8 marks remaining we will read different types of contents are also there. After that we will get to the very in this very simple we should pass in intermediate first year examination in the subject of the commerce very easily because of this chapter we will get to the 27 marks. Okay, na? And as well as already you know that what is definition of accounting. Already you know that AICPA American Institute Certified for Public Accounts is also defined. What is accounting? Accounting is nothing but it is a recording of business transactions and classifying and summarizing and finally it should be revealed to the profit will be arising and loss will be arising in the business organization. That kind of situation, that kind of process is also called as what is that accounting. Already you know that daily in that kind of business organization there are different types of transactions will be done. That kind of transactions will be entered as a journal entries and as well as we should prepare from that kind of journal entries we should prepare to the one of the ledger is also there and from that kind of ledger we should prepare to the accounting systems are also there and different types of accounts are also we should preparing that. After preparing of the ledger we will preparing to the real balance. Okay, not getting to the any one of the final results included to the business organization. Okay, after completion of and after preparation of the trial balance, we should not getting to the any one of the actual result of the business organization. Okay, na? But from that business organization, we should know to the any one of the actual result. The profit will be arise and loss will be arise. That kind of information we will know to preparing of the final accounts included to the business organization. Okay, na? Okay, na? To preparing of the final accounts and in the process of preparing of the any one of the final accounts, we will know the profit will be arising and loss will be arising at the ending of the financial year. That kind of information we will know to preparing of the different types of financial statements are also there. That kind of financial statements are also called as what is that? Final accounts. What is that? Final accounts. Okay, na? The final accounts it is a one of the last stage and last step included to the accounting cycle. Already you know that the accounting cycle will be start at the starting stage journal, and after that ledger, and after that real balance, and after that final accounts. Already you know that in our previous classes already I have explained that what is accounting cycle. Okay, na? The accounting cycle start at the starting stage of the first step. What is that? Preparing of the journal. Okay, in the processing of the accounting cycle, first we will prepare and we will recording the journal entries, and after recording of the journal entries, we should prepare into the ledger accounts, and after completion of ledger accounts, we will prepare into the trial balance. Okay, na? And whenever we should prepare to the any one of the trial balance, we should not find out to the profit will be arising and loss will be arising in the business organization. That kind of information we will know in the preparation of the final accounts included to the accounting cycle. Last stage is also there. That kind of last stage and last step included to the accounting cycle. That kind of statements, that kind of financial statements are also called as what is that? Final accounts. What is that? Final account. Okay, na? And included to the business organization, finally in accounting cycle we should prepare into the final statements of the final accounts are also there. That kind of statements are also classified into three types of categories are also there. The first category, trading account. The second category, profit and loss account. The third category, what is that? Balance sheet. Okay, now this is also classification of the financial statements. In the process and in the preparation of the final accounts, we should prepare into the and we should make to the three kinds of financial statements are also there. After preparation of the financial statements, we should know the profit will be arising and loss will be arising at the ending of the financial year in the business organization. That kind of information we will know to preparation of the final accounts. It is also one of the last stage included to the accounting cycle. That kind of statements, that kind of situation, that kind of process is also called as what is that? Final accounts. What is that? Final accounts. Okay, na? Meaning, after you know that before we will enter to the final account, first of all, you will note to the one of the basic information about of the final accounts are also there. Okay, na? And they included to the final account. First of all, we will know the some of the basic information about of the accounting period and about of the already you know that about the accounting period. The accounting period is also classified into two categories. The first one calendar year, the second one financial year. Okay, na? First of all, you should listen what is calendar year and what is financial year. Already I have told in our previous classes of the first year accountancy. Already I have explained that, and once again I will repeat that what is calendar year and what is financial year. Okay, na? First of all, you should listen the calendar year. Calendar year is nothing but it should be contains have a 12 months time period, and as well as it will be start at the starting stage January 1st, and as well as it will be end at the ending of the December 31st. 12 months time period will be have. That kind of year, that kind of period is also called as what is that? Calendar year. Okay, na? The calendar year is have a 12 months time period is also there. Okay, na? It should be have start at the January 1st and ending of the December 31st, that kind of time, 12 months time period is also called as what is that? Calendar year. Okay, na? And as well as financial year. Financial year is nothing but it should be have a 12 months time period, and as well as it should be start at the starting stage April 1st, and as well as it should be end at the time period of the what is that? March 31st. That kind of 12 months time period year is also called as what is that? Financial year. Okay, na? But already you know that there are the business organizations, and the businesses are also classified into different types of categories are also there. Depending upon the private sector, there are the business organizations are also classified into different type, five types of categories are also there. The first category, sole proprietorship firm. The second category, what is that? Giant Hindu family business firm. The third category, cooperative societies. And fourth category, partnership firm. The fifth category, giant stock company. This is also depending upon the forming of the business organizations are also classified into five categories are also there. Okay, na? But whenever whatever may be business, we should establish into the any one of the business organization. In that kind of business organization, we should know the profit will be arising, the loss will be arising. That kind of information we will know at the ending of the financial year, at the ending of the calendar year. That kind of information we will know to preparing of the financial statements are also there. The financial statements are also classified into three categories. The first one, what is that? Trading account. The second one, profit and loss account. The third one, balance sheet. That kind of combinations of a financial statements are also called as what is that? What is that? Final accounts. What is that? Final accounts. Okay, na? The final account is also one of the last step and last step in the processing of the accounting cycle. Already you know that accounting cycle start at the starting stage. First step, what is that? Journal, and the accounting cycle ending the last step is also called as what is that? Final accounts. Okay, na? That kind of information is also called as what is that? Final accounts. ఇక్కడ చూడండి బాబు, ఫైనల్ అకౌంట్స్ అంటే ఏం లేదు బాబు. ఎట్ ద స్టార్టింగ్ ఇయర్ ఆఫ్ ది ఎండింగ్ స్టార్టింగ్ స్టేజ్, at the starting of the any one of the accounting period, that is also called as calendar year, and financial year is also there. At the already you know that calendar year start at the January 1st and ending of the December 31st is also there, and financial year start at the April 1st and end of the March 31st is also there. Whatever may be 12 months time period is also called as what is that? Financial year. Okay, na? In the financial year, ending of the financial year in business organization, that will be there. Sole proprietorship firm, partnership firm, giant stock company, and cooperative societies, and what is that? Giant Hindu family business firm. Whatever may be business organization is also there. In that kind of business organization, climax of the ending of the financial year, profit will be arising and loss will be arising. That kind of information we will know in the through the preparation of the financial statements are also there. The financial statements are also called as what is that? Final accounts. ఓకేనా? మరి మనం ఫైనల్ అకౌంట్స్ ని ఎప్పుడు ప్రిపేర్ చేస్తున్నాం అంటే ఎట్ ద ఎండింగ్ ఆఫ్ ది ఫినాన్షియల్ ఇయర్. ఆల్రెడీ యు నో దట్ క్యాలెండర్ ఇయర్ అయితేనేమో డిసెంబర్ 31st లో ప్రిపేర్ చేస్తాం, అండ్ ఫినాన్షియల్ ఇయర్ అయితేనేమో మార్చ్ 31st అంటే మార్చ్ మంత్ లో మనం ఏం చేస్తాం? ఫైనల్ అకౌంట్స్ ని ప్రిపేర్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. ప్రిపేర్ చేసి మనం ఏం చేస్తామంటే బిజినెస్ ఆర్గనైజేషన్ లో, అంటే సోల్ ప్రొప్రైటర్షిప్ ఫామ్ ఉంది అనుకోండి, అందులో ప్రాఫిట్ వచ్చిందా, లాస్ వచ్చిందా, లేకపోతే పార్ట్నర్షిప్ ఫామ్ ఉందనుకోండి, ప్రాఫిట్ వచ్చిందా, లాస్ వచ్చిందా, లేకపోతే జాయింట్ స్టాక్ కంపెనీ ఉందనుకోండి, ప్రాఫిట్ వచ్చిందా, లాస్ వచ్చిందా అనేటటువంటి ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ని మనం తెలుసుకోవడానికి ప్రిపేర్ చేసేటటువంటి ఒక ఫినాన్షియల్ స్టేట్మెంట్స్ ఏవైతే ఉంటాయో, ద ఫినాన్షియల్ స్టేట్మెంట్స్ ఆర్ ఆల్సో కాల్డ్ యాజ్ వాట్ ఈస్ దట్? ఫైనల్ accounts. Okay, na? The final accounts are nothing but in that kind of preparing of the final accounts, we should prepare it to the three kinds of statements are also there. That kind of statements are also called as first one, trading account, the second one, profit and loss account, the third one, balance sheet. This is also combinations of the financial statements are also called as what is that? Final accounts. Okay, na? And as well as whenever we should preparing to the final accounts, what are the benefits we will get that, and what are the advantages are also there, and what are the disadvantages are also there. That kind of information we will know to preparing of any one of the financial statements, what are the importance are also there, and what are the benefits are also there. That kind of benefits and the importance of preparing of the any one of the financial statements equal to the final accounts. That kind of benefits are also called as what is that final account. Okay, na? For why we should prepare into the final accounts included to the three kinds of statements were also prepared from that kind of statements. What are the benefits we will get that? We will get that kind of benefits are also called as what is that objectives of final accounts. Okay, na? The main objectives of final accounts. The first point, what is that? To calculate profit and loss. What is that? To calculate the profit and loss. Whenever we should prepare into the three kinds of statements included to the final accounts, that is also there. The three kinds of statements are also called as what is that? Trading account and profit and loss account and balance sheet. Through preparation of this kind of three statements, we should know the what kind of profit will be arising and loss will be arising. The gross profit will be arising and gross loss will be arising, and as well as the net profit will be arising and net loss will be arising. That kind of information we will know through preparation of the trading account and profit and loss account is also there. That kind of information, that kind of benefit is also called as what is that? What is that? To preparing of the it is also one of the main objective of the final accounts. Okay, na? At the ending of the accounting cycle, at the last stage of the accounting cycle, we should prepare into the final accounts through that kind of preparing of the any one of the financial statements included to the business organization. From that way, we should getting to the profit will be arising and loss will be arising. That kind of information we will know through preparation of the trading account and profit and loss accounting. That kind of main objective is also called as what is that? To getting to calculate the profit and loss. It is also one of the main objective of the final accounts. Okay, na? And second one is also there. What is that? Financial position. What is that? Financial position. Financial position is nothing but in that kind of business organization, what are the assets will be there and what are the liabilities will be there. Okay, now in comparison to the liabilities with the assets and assets with the liabilities, we should decide to the what kind of financial position will be arising in the business organization at the ending of the financial year. That kind of situation we will know through the preparation of the balance sheet. It is also one of the last financial statement included to the final accounts in the business organization. That kind of situation is also, that kind of benefit is also called as what is that? One of the second objective of the final account, that is also called as what is that? To know the financial position. Already you know that at the ending of the financial year, whenever we should prepare to the final account, through that kind of final accounts, we should know the what kind of profit will be arising in the business organization. Okay, na? And as well as profit will be arising, the loss will be arising. We should decide to preparing to the trading account and profit and loss account is also there, and as well as financial position. What kind of position, what kind of financial position will be there included in business organization. Okay, na? To preparation of the balance sheet in that kind of business organization, we should know and we should decide to the what kind of financial position will be available in the business organization at the ending of the financial year is also there. That kind of information is also called as, that kind of benefit is also called as what is that? Financial position. This kind of two objectives and two main objectives will be we will get in the preparation of the final accounts are also there. In the part of the final accounts, we should prepare into the three kinds of financial statements. We should know the profit will be arising and loss will be arising, and as well as what kind of financial position will be available included to the business organization. That kind of information we will know in the to preparing of the all the three kinds of financial statements included to the final accounts are also there. That kind of benefits are also called as what is that? Objectives of final accounts. Okay, right? And as well as there are different types of advantages are also there. Okay, na? Whenever we should prepare into the three kinds of financial statements included to the final accounts, what are the benefits we will get that?
సార్ మీ వాయిస్ రావట్లేదు.
మ్యూట్ లో పెట్టిరు సార్ మీరు.
సార్ మీ వాయిస్ రావట్లేదు మీది.
సార్ पुणे वाटे करो सरगिरी
सारे वीडियो स्टक किए गिरे. सारे वीडियो स्टक किए गिरे.
ఏ వాటి కరో చెప్పండి నాకు సార్. వాటి కరో
అర్థమయ్యి గిరా.
చెప్పండి
సార్ సార్ మీ వీడియో స్టక్ వీడియో స్టక్ అయి ఉంది.
వినిపిస్తుందా బాబు?
వినిపిస్తుంది సార్, కానీ మీ వీడియో స్ట్రక్ అయి ఉంది.
కానీ వీడియో స్టక్ అయింది సార్ మీది.
వచ్చింది ఇప్పుడు.
మళ్ళీ ఫస్ట్ లాగిన్ అవుతావు.
క్లారిటీ వచ్చింది సార్.
వచ్చింది సార్.
వినబడుతుంది సార్. వినిపిస్తుందా సార్? ఓకే, వెరీ గుడ్. ఏం లేదు, మనకు అమెజాన్ నుంచి కొరియర్ వచ్చింది, దానివల్ల వాడు ఫోన్ చేసినందుకు డిస్టర్బెన్స్ వచ్చింది. ఓకేనా? ఏం చూస్తున్నాం? ఆబ్జెక్టివ్స్ ఆఫ్ ఫైనల్ అకౌంట్స్. Just now I have completed that. Okay na? And second topic, what is the advantages of final accounts? Okay na? Whenever we should prepare to the any one of the final accounts at the ending of the financial year, what are the benefits we will get there? Okay na? Why we should prepare the final accounts included to the business organization, that is also their sole proprietorship firm, partnership firm, joint stock company, cooperative societies are also there. In that kind of different types of business organization, we will prepare to the final accounts. In that kind of process, what are the benefits we will get that? That kind of benefits are also called as, what is that? Advantages of the final accounts. Okay na? అంటే మనం ఫైనల్ అకౌంట్స్ ని ఎందుకు ప్రిపేర్ చేయాలి? ఒకవేళ ప్రిపేర్ చేసినట్లయితే దాని వల్ల మనకి ఏం బెనిఫిట్స్ ఉన్నాయి? ఓకేనా? ఆ బెనిఫిట్స్ ఏమేమి ఉన్నాయి? వాట్ ఆర్ ద అడ్వాంటేజెస్ ఆఫ్ the preparation of the final accounts included to the business organization. Okay, that kind of benefits are also called as, what is that? Advantages of final accounts. అంటే మనం ఫైనల్ అకౌంట్స్ ని ఎందుకు ప్రిపేర్ చేయాలి? ఒకవేళ ప్రిపేర్ చేస్తే దాని వల్ల మనకు లాభాలు ఏమున్నాయి, నష్టాలు ఏమున్నాయి అని మనం కంపల్సరీ తెలుసుకోవాల్సి ఉంటది. ఆ విధంగా తెలుసుకునేటటువంటి ఒక బెనిఫిట్స్, వాట్ ఆర్ ద benefits we will get that, and what are the benefits we will get that from preparation of the final accounts in the business organization. That kind of benefits are also called as, what is that? Advantages of final accounts. Okay na? And advantages of final accounts, the first point is nothing but, what is that? To know profit and loss. What is that? To know profit and loss. Already you know that. Already just now I have explained in the part of objectives of final accounts. Whenever we should prepare into the three kinds of financial statements at the ending of the financial year in the business organization, through that kind of final accounts we will get to the profit will be arising and loss will be arising in the business organization. That kind of information we will know to preparation of the trading account and profit and loss account included to the final accounts are also there. That kind of benefit is also called as what is that? To profit will be arising and loss will be arising at the ending of the financial year. That kind of benefit is also called as what is that? To know the profit and loss will be arising in the బిజినెస్ ఆర్గనైజేషన్. అంటే మన ఇక్కడ ఏం లేదు బాబు, మనం ఇక్కడ ఫైనల్ అకౌంట్స్ ని ప్రిపేర్ చేయడం ద్వారా బిజినెస్ ఆర్గనైజేషన్ లో ఫైనల్ గా అంటే ఎట్ ద ఎండింగ్ ఆఫ్ ది ఫైనాన్షియల్ ఇయర్ లో ప్రాఫిట్ వచ్చిందా లాస్ వచ్చిందని మనం ఏం చేస్తాం ఇక్కడ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయడానికి చాయిస్ అనేది ఉంది. దట్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ చాయిస్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో షుడ్ బి ప్రొవైడెడ్ బై ద టు ప్రిపరేషన్ ఆఫ్ ది ఫైనల్ అకౌంట్స్ ఇన్ ద బిజినెస్ ఆర్గనైజేషన్. దట్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ బెనిఫిట్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో కాల్డ్ to know profit and loss. Okay, it is also one of the benefit to preparation of the final accounts in the business organization. Okay, and second one, what is that? To know financial position. What is that? To know financial position. Financial position is nothing but the financial position is also should be determined. The preparation of the balance sheet included to the in the part of the financial statements of the final accounts is also there. It is also one of the last stage in preparation of the final account. The last statement we will prepare, that is also called as what is that? Balance sheet. The balance sheet should be revealed to us to information about of the what kind of assets will be available in the business organization and what kind of liabilities will be available in the business organization. Okay, na? To comparison of the assets with the liabilities and liabilities with the assets, we should decide what kind of financial position will be there in the business organization is also there. That kind of information, that kind of benefit we will get to preparation of the final account. That is also one of the advantages of the final accounts. Okay, and to reveal financial information to the public. What is that? To reveal financial information to the public in the society. Okay, na? Whenever at the ending of the financial year in business organization, we should preparing to the three kinds of financial statements. That is also related to the trading account and profit and loss account and balance sheet. That kind of three statements should be revealed the financial information to the public in the society. Okay, na? Through that kind of information, the public should be confident and the public should be in public mind. Our business organization activities will be there as a honestly. That kind of information we will reveal financial information to the public through the preparation of the final accounts are also there. That kind of benefit, that kind of advantage is also called as what is that? To reveal financial information to the public. It is also one of the advantage of the final account. Okay, and useful to decision making. What is that? Whenever we should prepare to the any one of the final accounts in the at the ending of the financial year in business organization, through that kind of system we should know what kind of profit will be arising and loss will be arising in the business organization is also there, and as well as what kind of financial position will be arising in the business organization. That kind of information we will know through preparation of the balance sheet is also there. In that situation, depending upon the final accounts in business organization, what kind of decision will be taken by the management in the business organization. The management people should peoples are also depending upon the final accounts to taking to the any one of the decision making in the business organization is also there. That kind of benefit is also called as what is that? To take to the any one of the decision making included to the business organization depending upon the final accounts. అంటే మనం ఫైనల్ అకౌంట్స్ ని ప్రిపేర్ చేయడం ద్వారా బిజినెస్ లో వచ్చేటటువంటి పరిణామాలు ఏవైతే ఉంటాయో ఆ పరిణామాలను బట్టి డెసిజన్ నిర్ణయాలను ఎట్లా ఏ నిర్ణయం ఏది తీసుకోవాలా తీసుకోవద్దా అనేటటువంటి ఒక ఒపీనియన్ ఏదైతే ఉంటుందో డెసిజన్ మేకింగ్ ఏదైతే ఉంటుందో దట్ డెసిజన్ మేకింగ్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో డిపెండింగ్ అపాన్ ది final accounts is also there. That kind of benefit will be available to preparation of the final accounts in the business organization. That is also one of the advantage of final account. Okay, na? And it is to pay tax to the government. What is that? Whenever we should be preparing to the any one of the final accounts at the ending of the financial year in the business organization, we should know profit will be arising and loss will be arising. That kind of information we will know the that kind of profit will be arising and loss will be arising. we will know that, and after knowing of the profit, we will decide to the how much amount to tax will be paid to the government. That kind of decision will be depending upon the to preparing of the final accounts in the business organization is also there. That kind of benefit is also called as what is that? It is useful to pay the tax to the government. And మీకు ఆల్రెడీ చెప్పిన at the ending of the financial year మనం ఏం చేయాలి? బిజినెస్ ఆర్గనైజేషన్ లో ప్రాఫిట్ వచ్చిందా లాస్ వచ్చిందా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసిన తర్వాత మనం ఏం చేయాలి? ఆ ప్రాఫిట్ ని బేస్ చేసుకొని గవర్నమెంట్ కి ట్యాక్స్ ని పే చేయాలి. మరి మనం ట్యాక్స్ ని ఎప్పుడు పే చేసాం? బిజినెస్ ఆర్గనైజేషన్ లో ప్రాఫిట్ వచ్చినప్పుడు మాత్రమే, వచ్చిందా రాలేదా తెలుసుకున్న తర్వాత మాత్రమే మనం ఏం చేస్తాం? ట్యాక్స్ అనేది పేడ్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. మరి ఆ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ని మనం దేని మీద డిపెండ్ అయ్యి ట్యాక్స్ ఎంత మొత్తం పేడ్ చేయాలనే ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ని మనకు ఏది రివీల్ చేస్తుంది? ఇక్కడ ఫైనల్ అకౌంట్స్ అనేది మనకు ట్యాక్స్ అనేది డిసైడ్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. ఎంత ట్యాక్స్ మనం గవర్నమెంట్ కి పే చేయాలనేది ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ని మనకి ఏం చెప్తుంది? ఇక్కడ ఫైనల్ అకౌంట్స్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ రివీల్ టు us how much amount to pay through the tax to the government is also there. That kind of decision is also depending upon the to preparing of the final accounts in the business organization. That is also one of the advantage and benefits of the final accounts. Okay, na? And another one is also there. What is that? It is useful to take loan. What is that? It is whenever we should preparing to the three kinds of financial statements in the business organization. After that, that kind of financial information and final accounts we will reveal to the public and government and to the society is also there. From that kind of information, whenever we should approach to the any one of the financial institution, we should reveal our financial position to the institution is financial institution is also there. Depending upon the preparation of the final account and revealing of the final financial information to the banks, on that kind of situation, the banks should be provided to the loans to the business organizations are also there. That kind of benefit is also called as what is that? It is useful to take loan. అంటే మనం ఎప్పుడైతే ఫినాన్షియల్ స్టేట్మెంట్స్ ని ప్రిపేర్ చేసి ఆ ఫైనల్ అకౌంట్స్ ద్వారా మన యొక్క ఫైనాన్షియల్ పొజిషన్ ఏ విధంగా ఉంది అనేటటువంటి ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ మనం పబ్లిక్ సొసైటీలో పబ్లిక్ గానీ గవర్నమెంట్ కానీ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ని పాస్ చేసినట్లయితే ఆటోమేటిక్ గా మనకి ఏమైనా లోన్ కావాలంటే మనం ఏం చేయొచ్చు? మన యొక్క బిజినెస్ ని అక్కడ మార్టిగేజ్ గా అండ్ పరపతిగా యూజ్ చేసి మనం ఏం చేయొచ్చు అంటే ఆ బ్యాంక్స్ నుంచి లోన్ ని టేకప్ చేసేటటువంటి ఫెసిలిటీ మనకి ఏది ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తుంది? ఫైనల్ అకౌంట్ అనేది ప్రొవైడ్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. దట్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ బెనిఫిట్ ఈస్ ఆల్సో కాల్డ్ యాజ్ వాట్ ఈస్ దట్? ఇట్ ఈస్ యూస్ఫుల్ టు టేక్ లోన్. ఇట్ ఈస్ advantages of the final account. Okay, na? And as well as whenever there are the advantages are also there in the preparation of the final account, and as well as disadvantages are also will be available to preparation of the final accounts are also there. And what are the disadvantages and what are the disadvantages of the final accounts are also there? There are the points are also there. The first point, what is that? Detailed historical. Whenever we should preparing to the any one of the final accounts in the business organization, in that kind of situation, the accountant should be considered to the historical information in the business organization. Okay, na? To consider and to taking of the historical information, that kind of information will be used by the accountant to preparing to the final accounts in the business organization is also there. That kind of information, that kind of disadvantages is also called as what is that? Depending upon the historical information. Okay, na? అంటే మనం ఫైనల్ అకౌంట్స్ ని ప్రిపేర్ చేసేటప్పుడు మనం ఏం చేస్తాము? ఇయర్ ఎండింగ్ ఆఫ్ ది ఫైనాన్షియల్ ఇయర్ ఎండింగ్ లో ప్రిపేర్ చేస్తాం కాబట్టి ఆ ఫైనాన్షియల్ ఇయర్ స్టార్టింగ్ నుంచి ఎండింగ్ వరకు జరిగినటువంటి అకౌంటింగ్ ట్రాన్సాక్షన్స్ అన్నిటిని హిస్టారికల్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ని మనం తీసుకొని ఫైనల్ అకౌంట్స్ అనేది ప్రిపేర్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. మరి ఎప్పుడైతే మనం డిపెండింగ్ అపాన్ ది హిస్టారికల్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ వీ షుడ్ నాట్ ప్రిపేర్ ది accurate final accounts included to the business organization is also there. It is also one of the disadvantage of the final account. Okay, na? Quantitative and quantitative data. Whenever we should prepare to the any one of the final accounts in the business organization, the final accounts should not reveal to the qualitative and quantitative data to the public and data to the management and society and government is also there, because of there are the we should, depending upon the historical information is also there. We should taking of the historical information. That kind of historical information we will use in the preparation of the financial statements are also there. In that kind of situation, there are the different types of errors and different types of frauds will be available in the preparation of the final accounts are also there. It is also one of the disadvantages of the final accounts. Okay, na? And another one is also there. Do not reveal accurate picture and accurate financial information to the public in the society. Okay, na? Whenever we should prepare to the any one of the final accounts in the business organization, that kind of final accounts, that kind of financial statements are also depending upon the historical information. We should consider to the historical information. On that situation, there are the different types of errors and frauds will be available. That kind of frauds and errors we will consider as a depending upon the historical information to preparation of the financial statements are also there. Through that kind of historical information, we should not prepare to the accurate final accounts in the business organization. Through that kind of final accounts, we should reveal the not reveal to the accurate financial information to the public and to the government and to the society is also there. That kind of disadvantages is also called as what is that? Not reveal the accurate picture and accurate financial information to the public and society and government is also there. అంటే మరి ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ఫైనల్ అకౌంట్స్ ని మనము హిస్టారికల్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ని బేస్ చేసుకొని ప్రిపేర్ చేస్తున్నాం కాబట్టి ప్రిపేర్ చేయడం ద్వారా అక్యురేట్ ప్రాఫిట్ వచ్చిందా, అక్యురేట్ ఫినాన్షియల్ పొజిషన్ అనేది మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయడానికి చాయిస్ అనేది లేదు. ఎందుకంటే వీ షుడ్ డిపెండింగ్ అపాన్ ది హిస్టారికల్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ టు ప్రిపరేషన్ ఆఫ్ ది ఫినాన్షియల్ స్టేట్మెంట్స్. ఆన్ దట్ సిచ్యువేషన్ దేర్ ఆర్ ద different types of errors will be arising and different types of frauds will be arising. On that kind of situation, we should do taking to the historical information to preparation of the different types of financial statements included to the final accounts. On that kind of situation, we should not reveal to the accurate financial position to the public and to the society and to the government is also there. It is also one of the disadvantage of the final accounts. Okay, na? This is also advantages and disadvantages of the final accounts to preparing to the last stage included to the accounting cycle. Okay, na? Today I will stop this class and tomorrow I will start to the what are the expenses, what are the classifications of expenses will be available in the preparation of the final accounts. Okay, na? What are the kind of classes classification are also there and what are the types of expenditure is also there. That kind of information our next class I will explain that. Okay, na? Once again you should read this kind of information in your textbooks. If you have any doubt in our next class, you should ask me and I will clarify that. Okay, na? ఏం బాబు అర్థమైంది?